Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your VT Markets account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm over at a help article from vtmarkets.com. Now they state here, how can I close my trading account? So if you've been trying to do it yourself, go on your myaccount.vtmarkets and there's no way to do it. That's because there is pretty much VT Markets make it a lot harder to close your account because basically they want to keep people on their platform for as long as possible. So they're not going to make it easy for people to delete or close their account. So now in stating this, so currently VT Markets do not offer manual closure service for MT4, MT5 trading accounts. If you wish to discontinue your account, please follow these steps to ensure its closure. So you want to go ahead and withdraw or rebalance your funds to meet the following criteria and avoid any following activities for 90 consecutive days. So logging into the account, making deposit withdrawals, engaging in trading activity. Once these conditions are met, the system automatically close your account. Now I'm not sure why they have it like this. It's you might need to go ahead and contact their customer support. So this is the only way to do it. So just don't log in for 90 consecutive days, don't make any deposit withdrawals, and engage in any trading activity, and your account will be closed automatically.